All right, everyone. So we have a new lawnmower here, a Toro Model number 21442. I live in California. Apparently, starting next year, they're going to start banning the sale of gas lawnmowers. As of now, filming this is December 2023. When I go to the hardware stores now, they're pretty much phasing them out. What you see on display is primarily electric mowers. So I wanted to get a gas one now before can't get them anymore. So at least in the state. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and check it out. Okay, so got the bag. Looks like it's pretty much assembled. Let's pull it out of the box. Got some instructions. Who needs those? Dang. Comes with some oil. 30 weight Toro Premium engine oil. Looks like we're gonna have to put the handle on. Easy. Okay, put some oil and gas there. All right, said wait 3 minutes. Check the oil. Yep, it's a little above. The full line. You know, this mower said that you don't ever have to change the oil, just add oil, but yeah, I don't think so. We'll change the oil on her. Now we'll need some gas. So I got some non-ethanol gas. We'll go ahead and put that in there.
Gasoline.
Okay, so let's go ahead and try our first start up here. Engine's cold. Oil, gas. Let's see what happens. Wow, first pull. Nice. First start. Let's cut this grass. Hangs right there. Away you go.